Just tell me the name of the coin directly, brother. Why are you going around so much? Just give me the name. Don't invest money into it. No, 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 no. You simply don't do that. Otherwise, if something happens, you'll end up catching me. I'm not explaining it that way. Understand the concept. If everyone gets it, the 5 coins I'm investing in today could become 500 coins tomorrow. How do you identify the better ones? So I will teach you how to identify them. The rest you can do yourself. But still, if you say at least tell me the top coins, then I'll tell you the top coins. I will tell you the top coins and also explain why they are good so that you can also learn the fundamentals for the others. Look, the first coin is Bitcoin, the father of the crypto world. It has actually created the entire crypto world, understand? Its market cap is over 200 lakh crores. It was launched in 2009. Who makes Bitcoin safe? This is the first crypto coin, brother. It can only be created up to 21 million coins. Its limitation is set and it cannot be made more than that. Understand it like the difference between a plot and a flat. Flats can be made unlimited by builders. Today it's a 22 floor building. Tomorrow it will be 100 floors, but 100 can become 500 floors. So the supply of flats is unlimited. No one can enlarge a plot of land, not even by an inch, since God created it exactly as it is. Therefore, which property's value will increase more, a flat or a plot of land? Certainly the plot. Because the supply cannot increase, Bitcoin is just like that. Bitcoin can never be increased. The 21 million is fixed, so fixed. It won't exceed that, meaning its supply is limited. Demand is perpetually unlimited. Large companies like Harvard, Tesla, and BlackRock are putting in substantial money into Bitcoin. It's not that it's not volatile. Its price doesn't just keep falling, it does drop as well. But after that point, it rises even faster than before. Alright, the second safe coin you can consider besides Bitcoin is Ethereum, ETH. It was launched in 2015. What makes Ethereum safe? Look, it is one step ahead of Bitcoin. Understand this. It's not just a currency, it's a problem solver. The use case for this technology is solid and proven, as smart contracts are effectively and widely built upon it already in diverse applications today. The thumbnail you see in the video has been discussed by us in great detail, covering the purpose of each coin and providing thorough explanations on how to use them effectively so viewers fully understand their functions. So make sure to watch this video, alright? This thumbnail you are seeing on the screen. Thirdly, Solana was officially launched in the year 2020, and within just 5 short years, it has successfully achieved the 6th rank in terms of market capitalization. The blockchain technology is so remarkably fast that you can easily think of Ethereum as Splendor and Solana as Harley Davidson, each representing speed and efficiency in their respective domains. By outpacing and beating Splendor, it moved forward. It came later, but the momentum remained strong. Basically, the work Ethereum does in a day, Solana does in a minute. So you can understand it this way. Now, I'll explain which cryptocurrencies you should stay away from because it's very important. Their numbers are many. That is, investing money in those coins is comparable to providing a loan to Pakistan, suggesting that while your investment may grow, the principal amount you invested will not be returned to you. The first category to consider is shit coins. So named because the word shit appears in their titles. These particular cryptocurrencies lack any substantial use case or practical application, rendering them essentially useless in the real world. The performance was up one day, then it went down steadily for a whole week. The Squid Game token, often referred to as a deceptive cryptocurrency, systematically scammed an estimated 40,000 unsuspecting individuals, collectively defrauding them out of a total of 1,000 crores. How can you identify a shitcoin? Coins whose names you won't hear anywhere except Telegram. That's their biggest identifier. You already know about Telegram, my friend. They have developed their own unique approach and strategy, and ultimately only their brand name truly matters. Coins whose market cap is even less than the annual turnover of a grocery store. Their daily trade volume is almost negligible, meaning that there are hardly any active traders involved, which makes these coins appear similar to meme coins. These are the coins that are created as a joke, like Dogecoin. Once Elon Musk thought, bro, you dogs. They have just created a token or a coin without any specific reason, lacking a use case, serving no purpose, and they were simply made. Shiba Inu and Pepe Coin are fundamentally identical, with their popularity arising solely from the intense hype generated through various social media platforms. Many people choose to invest their money in these assets, fully understanding that they lack any real fundamentals and were merely created.